Y'all, it's mowing day in the neighborhood. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood, so they're mowing because for some reason we've had a really wet and mild summer, and you're not going to see this fat girl complaining. No siree, Bob. Hi everyone, it's Misty here. Thanks so much for joining me in today's video. Sorry, my ears are stuffy. In today's video, I have my hashtag That's Expensive Project Pan. Before we get started on that, so I am wearing the Lilac You A Lot palette with some Vanny glitters. It doesn't go with my shirt, but this is literally the 5th eye look of the day. I just couldn't get the other ones to work right. I was on the phone with my brother about my nephew, so I was just distracted. It got a little out of hand. It doesn't match. We'll be all right. I won't tell if you won't tell. So I'm a little irritated with this update, and I'll tell you why. Every single thing I weighed went up. And not up like 1 gram, 2 grams. I'm talking like 10 grams or so. Boy, always. Anyway, so yeah. I am rolling a couple of things in. So yeah. So let's start with the funnest one ever in my life. This is a Jouer highlighter that I've had in this project since the very beginning. My goal was to hit pan, and look what I did today. I actually hit tiny pan. I was like, oh, that's so good. Because I used it on my eye. You can't see it because I covered it with glitter. But I had it on my eye. And then I went in and it's on my cheeks. And then it's on my inner corner a little bit. So my goal has been met. So this is rolling out, which is good because, well, come back Thursday and you'll see why it's good. Next is my foundation. This is the Tarte Found Sealer. Mine is in the shade Porcelain Beige. You can see where the last line was and where we are now. This is currently the Focus foundation in my collection, so I foresee this going pretty quickly. It's an airless pump, so we're moving up. Goal is to finish, making good progress. Next is my Becca First Light Priming Filter. Last month, oh no, this went down. Last month it was 101. It is now, wait, that says Becca to the letter. What is that? Is that what this is? I don't know. Anyway, last month this is 101. It is now a 99, and I was finally able to make a bit of a mark. I actually took this with me on vacation. I love this. It's sad that Becca's going out of business, but yeah, that one was good. Next, my Fenty bronzer. Last update, this was 21. This update, this is 26. So here it is. I covered up the pan a little bit in the bottom. Can't see it because, anyway, it's there. I've made it moved, there you go. I've made it move a little bit. It hasn't moved very much. Again, the weight is incorrect, so who really knows? I did not take this on vacation with me. I took just a face palette, so this hasn't really gotten any use this month. Other than that, I wear it every day. It is what's on my face today. Again, that one up. My goal initially, when this was just the Fenty bronzer in the little container, my goal was just to wear off the pattern. And then when I frankened them, my goal was just to hit pan. But I want to see how much I can finish of this by the end of the year. So this isn't rolling out, but I've technically hit my goal, but I would really like to see most, if not all of this gone. I may have to repress it because it feels like it has hard pan. I don't know why it would, because it's not like it got wet, but who knows. Next, we have my Too Faced Love Fush palette. This also went up. This was 27. It's now 29. I think I'm going to have to let this one go. I think this is mold. Yeah, this is moldy. Damn it. I wonder why this one got moldy and the other one didn't, because I pressed it the same way like I did the bronzer. Does that go all the way down? Shoot. Misty, what are you doing? Yeah, it goes all the way through. God dang it. You guys have any idea why this would have molded? Again, I pressed it the exact same way. So this is going to end up being a declutter. Boot. That means I need to find something else to bring in. Give me a minute and I'll think about it. Let's keep going. So this is unfortunately going to have to be a declutter. Next is my Bite lipstick. Today's the first day I've used it. So we're still making very slow progress. My goal is to finish this. I don't have any weights or measurements on it, so I don't even know why I bother showing you guys. Next we have my Melted Fig lipstick. Again, this went up like 4 ounces, not 4 ounces, grams. So this was 13 grams the last update. It's 17 grams. There may be an air bubble in it, but air doesn't weigh anything, right? I don't know, you guys. I don't know. Is that everything that was in? Oh, the Beauty Bakery. Where did that go? This is being decluttered as well. So the last time I saw you guys, I was like, I'm going to try this on its own. I've tried it on its own 2 separate times, and this is just too drying underneath my eyes. I mean, I'm 43 and I have 43-year-old skin underneath my eyes, and I am dry, so it's a little crepey. And this just makes it, it just accentuates it so stinking much. So unfortunately, these 2 things are going to have to be a declutter. But yeah. Okay, so I'm going to bring in 3 new products. And then last month I forgot to pick focus shadows, so I'm going to do that this month. So I have these 3 are from Give Me Glow. This is Pink Frosting. This is Pretty Little Lilac. And this is Pink Ballerina. Or Ballerina Pink, I don't remember. This is from Clarity and Drama Queen. I think this one may have been discontinued. I don't remember. So these will be my focus shadows. I picked these because I'm working on the Lilac You a lot. Like if you saw my No Pan Left Behind update, you see I have a lot of pinks and purples. So I figured get some use out of these. There's no goal with these other than just to get some use out of them. Then I'm going to bring in the Fenty highlighter. This is in Hustler, baby. And my goal for this is just going to be wear down the pattern. So to get rid of that F and that B. And right now this is starting at 28. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know why I keep getting stuff all over my lips. Why is this moving? This is that Too Faced Melted Fig. It's supposed to be a liquid lipstick. Why is it moving around? I'm having a very bad day. Okay. Next thing I'm bringing in is this. This is the Dior Super Potent Eye Serum. This weighs in at 37. This is not super potent, nothing. I actually got this from Influenster, and I wore it for 30 days before I reviewed it. And this honestly does jack shit nothing. I kid you not. And it's like $64, I think. Ooh, I can actually see through it. Let's mark it. My goal for this is just to finish it. I mean, I've already started it, so. And I use this twice a day. So I use this twice a day for 30 days. Because with Influencer, you normally get a month to six weeks on your reviews. It didn't change nothing. And it's supposed to, I marked it on the wrong damn spot. Wait, anyway, see, this update. Rob's going in and out of the door. I mean, this update. Maybe I should start all over. No, we're gonna keep going. So anyway, I wore this every morning and night for 30 days. And one of the things that it's supposed to do is depuff, and it just absolutely did nothing. Even after 30 minutes to an hour, there was really no change in my under eye appearance. Yeah, I marked it in the wrong spot. It's a little bit lower. So anyway, I'm bringing that in because it's expensive and I'm already working on it. So my goal is to finish it. And then last but not least, I have finished 4 out of 5 concealers I was painting. You guys saw me with the Beauty Bakery. We're gonna get rid of that. So I'm gonna bring in another one. This is the Rare Beauty concealer. You can see where we're starting. 39 possible grams. I love this. Not very many people enjoyed this, but I really, really did. I have it in 140C. It may be a little light, but I think that's true of all of my concealers. So yeah, the goal is to finish this. I don't know if I will finish it by the end of the year because we're in July. Oh my God, we're about to be in August. Whoa, my brother turns 40 the day this goes live. He just had a baby in March. We're old. We old people. Anyway, so yeah, my goal is to finish that. This has been the weirdest update ever in my life. But yeah, so got to roll out. I can't believe I met go on that Jouer highlighter. I don't know if I should keep it or if I should give it. Maybe I'll just keep it and work on it every now and again. It is really pretty. I mean, when you're wearing a look like this, it's beautiful. And it worked really well as a eyeshadow too. But anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate you. Don't forget to come back here on Thursday for a new project intro. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.